I used Edpuzzle to create a video about teaching and practicing addition, simple addition, and here it is.
Please watch this video to review what we learned in class today and complete the questions.
Let's think about what it means to add numbers. So let's start with 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is this going to be equal to? One way to think about this is we have one thing, and that thing will be a purple circle. So let me put that here. So that's this one thing. I'm just going to represent it with a purple circle. And I'm going to add another one thing. Since this is in blue, I'll make that other circle. I'll make that in blue as well. So let me put that right over here. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. How many total circles do I now have? Well, I now have 2 circles. I now have 2 circles. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2.
So here is my first question, and I've already answered it, as you can see. So we will continue. Oh, and also I set it so that you cannot skip forward. So as you can see, if you try to go forward, it does not let you.
Okay, you're saying, all right, Sal, that makes sense. Let's do this with larger numbers. So let's say we want to know what equals.
Just a little supportive comment there.
And I'll put a question mark over here. So question mark, what equals, so something is equal to, let's say, 2 plus 3. Something is equal to 2 plus 3. What is this something going to be? And I encourage you to pause the video and think about it on your own. Well, you could view this as I have 2 objects, and then we're going to add another 3 objects. How many total?
Okay, so you can see I already answered the question. And unfortunately, when I saved this, it didn't save that pause quite where I wanted it, but that's all right.
Objects would I have? So you have your 2 objects, which I'll use purple circles again. So so we have 1 and 2 purple circles. This is the 2 right over here. And then to that, we're going to add 3 more. 3 more circles. And I'll represent those in blue because we wrote the 3 here in blue. So that is 1, 2, and 3. So how many total circles do we now have? Well, we could count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In fact, let me count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. So 2 plus 3, 2 things plus another 3 things are 5 things. So our question mark right over here is equal to 5.
So just a little formative assessment, making sure they know the commutative rule of addition. And the video is over, so if you go in as a teacher, you can see the progress of the class and how they've done. And since I don't have any students, I don't have any actual scores except for my own. But, so you can go in there and look at it. Or you can export the data to Excel. Since I don't have any actual data though, it's just blank. But that is my Edpuzzle video.